What's going on, my sexy YouTubers? Welcome back to YouTube 365. My name is Freak, and this is your channel, guys. And today, you guessed it, guys, we are going to upgrade the home internet, and by doing that, we have to upgrade our modem. So, guys, what do we have right here? We have the Technicolor CGM4331, which happens to be, as at the moment, the newest and most powerful, I will call this the beast of Cox Internet. I want to show you something, guys. So Xfinity has been having the same device named after something called XB7-T. Okay, and it's pretty much the same. I'm gonna show you how much this is gonna look from this one. Xfinity has been having this for a longer time. I believe that Xfinity is way ahead when it comes to internet. But what are the options of this new modem? But before, let's do the open box. Okay, guys, so what do we have right here? We have in front of you the Cox and Xfinity newest and latest modem, guys, and I gotta tell you, they're the same. Okay, as you guys can see, the main difference from Cox to Xfinity is that the power outlet on this one in Cox is can you see that? Can you see that? Is red. The one here is some kind of bluish, but they have the same ports. They have 2 ports for phones, and you get 4 ports. Ports 1, 2, 3, and 4. This the 4 port is at 2.5 gigabits per second. Okay, which it will improve the connectivity in your house. Right now, I have the regular black panoramic modem from router from Cox. I'm gonna be testing the difference in connectivity and how I have my my current gateway connected is by one Cat5 cable goes straight from the box into my PC. The second one goes to a Wi-Fi, an iHawk, very nice one that I have right there. So I'm going to be doing some testing, and I will be showing this to you online. Okay, the one thing that I'm excited about this one is this one comes with integrated Wi-Fi 6, which should give a stronger signal to the home and to all your devices. Okay, so if you're looking for a review on these ones, I gotta tell you that this is your place. Okay, you guys can see the amazing Cox right there. Pretty good, man. It's very nice. See bottom? It's amazing. I love it. So let's go.